Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you are new, hi, I'm Tati. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I will be posting a new video. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing a full face of new makeup that I found at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I already did this type of video, a full face of makeup using TJ Maxx and Marshalls. The link is gonna be in the description box below if you have not checked it out. So if you guys are interested on watching me apply this full face of makeup, please continue to watch. I'm gonna give you guys a full first impression on all of these products that I'm gonna be applying. So let's begin. I already did my eyebrows. I have not found no eyebrow kit from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so I used my Anastasia eyebrow kit, the Anastasia pomade, and the Anastasia concealer. So the first thing that I'm gonna be applying is the Spotlight Hyaluronic Pearl Serum. This is supposed to hydrate plus give you a glow. It has a nice smell. So this product does make your skin feel hydrated and it really gives you a nice glow to it. Not like an extremely glow, but you can see like a little bit of shine on my face. And it feels a little bit tacky, but not as much. But that is fine for me. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first before I start applying foundation. I'm gonna be taking the Becca Ultimate Coverage Long Wear Concealer in the shade Golden. This is the next product that I got at Marshall, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna apply the concealer as my eyeshadow primer. For today's palette, I'm gonna be taking the other palette that I got from Beauty. I'm gonna be using the palette called Charm. This is how the color looks like. When I see these colors, this color reminds me so much of the Anastasia Modern palette. So I'm just gonna do the tutorial, and then after I finish with all of that, I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts about this palette. Go with the mascara since I didn't found a new mascara at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I'm gonna be taking my Holy Grail mascara. That is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For today's lashes, I'm gonna take these lashes that I got at TJ Maxx, but I didn't find these when I did the TJ Maxx and Marshall haul, the last haul that I did from them. I got this like a long time ago because I remember that I got some lashes from TJ Maxx, but it was in my drawer, and I was like, you know what, since I'm doing a TJ Maxx and Marshall makeup, these are the Kiss Blowout lashes, and this one it is in Page Boy. Now that the eyes is already finished, now I'm gonna move on with the face. So for today's foundation, I'm gonna be using this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I got in the shade fan. Hopefully, finger crossed, I got the correct shade. But by the bottle, it looks like it's gonna be a little bit too light, but we're just gonna find out and see. I'm gonna be using these brushes from It Cosmetics that I got. This first one that I'm gonna be using is the foundation brush. So I'm gonna apply it on the back of my hand, and I love that this foundation comes with a pump. If it's gonna come out. Okay, there it goes. This foundation way too light. I think I got the wrong shade. I'm gonna work with what I have. I don't like how the brush blends the foundation. I know that this shade is not for me. It's way too light. I'm just gonna work with all of this makeup. Hopefully this foundation oxidizes and it works for my skin. But for the full coverage, like you say it is, it does give you that full coverage. I'm gonna apply my concealer. I'm gonna use the shade Golden to highlight underneath my eyes. And by the look of it, this foundation gives you a matte finish. And I have dry skin, so I don't think this is working for dry skin, but I'm just working with what I have. With this foundation, you cannot even see the concealer. Let me tell you, you cannot even tell like I apply concealer. I'm gonna go with the contour, and I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shade Shifter, and this one is in medium to dark, and this one has your cream contour, your contour powder. The brush that I'm gonna be using to blend it, the other brush that I got from It Cosmetics, and this one is the Skin Smoothing Complexion brush. So I'm gonna be taking this shade color here. Okay, so now I'm gonna bake just a little bit, and I'm gonna be using the Becca Hydro Mix Set and Refresh powder in golden browns. This is how the golden browns looks like, and I'm gonna be using this brush right here. So I'm gonna take just a little bit of this. And then I'm just gonna bake under my eyes as well. For blush, I'm gonna be using the Smashable Khaled Kiss Blush Palette. And the brush that I'm gonna be using to apply this, another It Cosmetics brush, and this is the Bye Bye Pores brush. So I'm gonna take this color. For me, this one's supposed to be a foundation brush because it's really dense. Highlighter, I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter, and this one, it is in the shade let me open it because I don't remember which shade I got. This one is in the shade Sunset Aura. The packaging is so pretty and glittery. I really love the packaging of this loose highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it first on the top, just like this. So a little bit goes a long way with this highlighter. So now I'm gonna move on with the lids, but I didn't find no new lip products that I like from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I'm gonna use the ones that I already have. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and as well I'm gonna be using the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And finally, I'm gonna set this makeup using the Too Faced Prime, Set, and Refresh Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And I'm really excited that I found this product because I was looking for this product everywhere and I couldn't find it, and I finally did, and I'm so excited that I did. So that is it, my love, for this final look with all of these products that I try on. Foundation is definitely a heck to the no. I will have to pass on the foundation. It's too light for me and it's too dry for me, and it's just sitting on top of my skin. If I would have had the receipt, I will return it, but since I lost the receipt, I just had to keep it, give it to somebody that is lighter with oily skin. About the palette, I really like the palette of Beauty. I'm really impressed with her palettes, the first one that I tried on and this one. The colors are really pigmented and amazing. The serum is just amazing. I love how hydrated and glowy my skin look. About this Urban Decay Naked Skin Shape Shifter, I really like it as well. It does contour your face really nicely. This Anastasia Loose highlighter, I'm really impressed with it. A little bit will go a long way. Brushes are amazing. The only thing, I will not use this one too much as a foundation. Maybe I would use it like to contour or something, but for foundation brush, I don't think I will use that one for foundation. I think I will use this one for foundation brush. About the setting product, is really amazing. It smells really good when you spray it, and I love how it sprays on your face. About the blush, the palette is so beautiful. The packaging is like, wow, I love the packaging of this palette. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button if you like, and as well subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, so you guys can be part of this squad. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I'm gonna be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.